Hey, what's going on everyone? It's Chase here at Rocky Mountain. Thank you so much for joining me. So today we're talking about the Tusk quick release fender flares for the Can-Am Maverick X3. If you own an X3, and I can tell you from my own personal experience, this is an awesome upgrade to have. If you want to prevent mud and debris from flying into your cab, especially if you have aftermarket wheels and tires that add even more width, you're going to want these on your machine. I have gone through mud in this machine personally, and I'm gonna tell you right now, from that first time you have that mud flying into the cab, you're gonna think twice before you wanna go through more of that. So these are nice. What's nice about these is that they're quick release. So it does require some drilling into the fender to get these installed. We actually do have a how-to video that you can watch where we install some of these, but it's all metal hardware. Once you have everything mounted up, you can either install these or remove them in just a matter of seconds. So if there's gonna be a time or a day when you don't want the fender flares on there, you could easily remove those. But for the times that you do want them on there, they're quick and easy to install. So again, if you have a Can-Am Maverick X3, this fits a lot of different models. You can just use the model apps finder on the product page, enter the year, make, and model of your machine. If yours pops up, that means that these will fit it. But again, extending your fenders, making it wider, preventing mud and debris from flying into your cab. To grab a set, click on the link or head over to RockyMountainATVMC.com. We ship for free over $75. And if you want to stay up to date on awesome products like these fender flares, get subscribed to the Rocky Mountain YouTube channel. I'm Chase, and we'll stay on the trails.